Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by defining the minimal prerequisites, semantic CSS variables for primary, background, and surface colors. Next, implement prefers color scheme in your style sheet so the browser provides a sensible default, then set CSS custom properties for light and dark values. Once done, add a visible toggle button and wire it to local storage so the user choice persists. Make sure to keep variable names semantic so swapping values is simple, and test the initial toggle to confirm the flow works. You'll now implement the core logic. On page load, read local storage. If absent, query window. Match media, prefers color scheme to choose a default. Then apply a class like dark to document. Document element or swap CSS custom properties dynamically through JS. Once applied, update accessibility attributes, area pressed, and ensure focus styles remain visible. Make sure transitions feel smooth by animating only properties that are safe. And respect prefers reduced motion, so motion sense. Finish by polishing edge cases. Ensure images and SVG icons have variants or use CSS filters, fix shadows and borders for both modes, and validate contrast ratios for legibility. Once polished, run cross-browser tests on desktop and mobile, and verify accessibility with screen readers. If something breaks, first clear site data and reload, then inspect computed CSS variables and class application in DevTools. Make sure no higher specificity rule overrides your theme variables. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals misapplied selectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.